Okay, you're with me? Sorry about that. This is the last video I'm going to do for this chapter. And here we go. This hockey question that I'm just asking, I just realized we haven't done this type of problem before. Now, this is an inelastic collision. Lots of kinetic energy is lost. But let's calculate the what happens when we saw what happens when two masses stick together. Now we're going to look at what happens when they actually bounce off of each other and we can get. Since we've got the speed of the hockey puck of its recoil, then we can calculate the speed of the hockey glove. And it's not hard. It's just a little bit of algebraic manipulation, and it's a pretty easy one equation, one unknown type thing to do. But we have to set it up first. So remember, what we've been talking about this whole time is that the momentum before is equal to the momentum after. So the momentum before, we're going to assume that hockey glove was stationary. So we've got mass 1 times the initial velocity plus mass 2, which would be and I'm just going to set up the general equation, and you all can plug in numbers and do all that, okay? 0 is equal to mass 1, final velocity of 1, plus the velocity of mass 2 times the final velocity of mass 2, times the final velocity of mass 2. Okay, so this is known, and this is known, and this is known. And this little guy is known. The only thing we don't know is this part. And so when you set this up, you just simplify it down to this. There we go. Got rid of that one. Now we subtract this known that we know from both sides, m1 v1 naught minus m1 v1 final. Okay. Now this is a positive, remember. This is a positive number, so we're bringing it back over here. And now it's minus, again, is divided by, so you find this, calculate that, and then divide by m2, and you should get that final velocity of the hockey glove. All right? And it should be recoiling. I'm hoping that we come up with a negative number here. But we'll see. Okay? All right. Oh, yeah, we're going to come up with a negative. Don't forget to make this negative 45 here. Then you'll get a nice negative number for this one. All right? So that's good.